Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another hair review for you all. So I ordered another wig and this one came from WowAfrican.com, and I am going to be showing you guys this one. It comes with, another elastic strap as well as a wig cap, and it comes with the how to care instructions as well, and it tells you don't cut the lace until you fit it for your head and all that greatness and stuff like that, because this wig was special ordered or whatever. I think that most of their wigs do take about 30 days to get, unless you decide to buy one that's already in stock. Mine took when I decided I wanted one that was fit for my head and all that stuff, because I don't have the average size head. It took about 30 days to make, and since I am in Korea, it took maybe like an extra week or two for me to get the wig, which is better than some other companies that sometimes it takes like 2-3 months for me to get an order that I placed. But with the 30 days that it took for them to make it the way that I to fit me, that's how everything turned out. So it comes in this little silk baggie right here that says Wow African on it as well, and I think that is awesome, because there are some companies out there that whenever you go to their site to order their wigs, they ask you if you want to add the silk bag, but this one came with the bag and and I thought that was good. So it's my first time opening it, so we're all getting a first look at it. And this is the bag, and it says I got item number TLW08 in the color natural, and the length is 14 inches. So I did not want it too long. I still wanted to kind of mimic my natural hair length and stuff like that. So, and taking it out of the bag and taking a little net off. Nice. Okay, as you can see, there's lace all the way around, and it does have combs inside of the wig, and which means there are 2 on the side and the 1 in the back. So, and it also has the adjustable strap for if they feel like you need it and stuff like that. So we have that going on as well. So I am going to go ahead and fit this on my hair with the lace on it, and then afterwards I will cut the lace off and see how it looks. So this is what it looks like, fresh on out the box, all the lace on it, all that greatness. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. It fits just fine on my head, by the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and quite possibly just go ahead and maybe glue it down so that I can get a little bit more security on my head, and then I'll begin to style and all that goodness. So I'll be back. Okay, so I don't look crazy, but it's gonna all work out. So I decided to spray some water onto this hair and finger comb it to just get some of the kinks out and to get it from being so knotted up and tight. And as I began to do that, the hair began to just come together and just stretch out and lay down, the way that I wanted it to. So I put a little part in and just combed it on to the side that I like to have my parts on, and to style it the way that I needed it to be styled for me. And one thing that I wanted to let you guys know, that this hair did not have a lot of shedding. As I continued to comb through with my hands and everything, there was not a lot of shedding with this hair, and it would just seem to just comb through real nicely and easy. So that's another plus side to this hair. So as I was going through this hair, I decided to try out 2 styles with this hair, and that was to put it up in a middle ponytail and to see how it looked. And I actually ended up liking this style a lot, and I just tried a little bun to see how it would go, and
you know, that was pretty cute to me as well. So just let me know what you guys think about, you know, this style as well.
It was quite easy to style once you just spray some regular water on it and then just, you know, finger comb through with your hands and all that goodness. I did my hands because I didn't want it to get too big and full and fluffy, so I really wanted to continue to lay as straight as possible. I really like the outcome of this wig and how it looks. I will leave where I got the wig from and, you know, everything about the wig in the description box below. If you like this wig, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you want to see more hair videos like this. And I will see you all in my next video.